Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm going to replace these shutoffs, getting the kitchen done over, and my contractor wants $50 a piece. There's two here and there's two in the bathroom, which is also being done, so that's $200. And I bought these, which are high quality brass craft, for about $6 a piece on Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to put them on there. This one actually is more expensive because it has two outlets. I don't have that one yet, but it's going to be the same procedure as this one. Okay, so first thing, we're going to shut the water off to the house. Most houses will have something like that. It's like a 90-degree swing shut off, and if you don't have that, you'll have to go out to the street near the sidewalk and you'll have a shut off there. So right now, actually, this is all already shut off. You pull it all the way up like that, push it all the way down. When the handle is straight in line with the pipe, that's open. When it's 90 degree to the pipe, that's shut. So that's shut. You want to have a pail because it's going to leak some water because it's pressurized, so the water will come out into the pail until the pressure is gone in the house system. And you might also leak some water from up higher, like on the second story. So let's do that. I'm going to need two hands as I don't want this spraying all over the place. Okay, show you how much I got out of there. And it's just dripping right now. Put a little rag down there to save the wetness. You're going to have two adjustable wrenches like that. So we're going to twist this one that way and this one that way, and that'll loosen it up. So if you were facing it from the outside of the house, it would be lefty-loosey, okay? Okay, got that loose. That comes out. The rag catches a little more. That's electrical outlet there, so you want to be careful when you're working around this stuff. I might have to put the pail over there. That seems to be slowing down. Okay. So I'm going to reuse this, and that's the little seal right there. Okay, because it's a real pain to get that off, and I might damage the copper pipe taking it off, and there's nothing worn out about it. I'm just going to clean it up with a green scrubby like this and reuse it. Okay, so mostly you're cleaning this brass surface here, all right, not so much the copper. You're cleaning the copper too, but mostly it's this brass surface that you want a nice clean seal. So you're going to take off the existing, see there's the new one and the new one, but I'm not going to use those. So this goes on. See how it fits up against the brass ring? And I'm using one hand to do this, so it'll be easier for you using two hands. So tighten that up there. And let's see, I'm going to point it. Let's see, the faucets are going to be up here. Supply line's going to come down probably about there, I'm thinking, because it's PEX, so it's just going to be loop. You might have a copper, like an accordion copper pipe that's bendable copper pipe. You might have that, but either one will work. This is a 3/8 standard connection here. So let's tighten that up, 2 wrenches. So now if you're a big strong guy or a strong woman, don't go gorilla on this. Just get it pretty tight, and then we're going to put the water pressure back on. And this is a quarter turn off, right there. It's a ball shut off inside. And then we'll see if we got any leaking here. And if we do, then we'll snug it up a little bit more. Like I said, this one I just ordered it a few minutes ago. That'll be a different video maybe. Okay, so let's turn the water on. So I just put my foot on it, pressed it down. Now it's on. Handle is lined up with the pipe. Okay, I got lucky. I got it just right because there's absolutely dry as a bone, no drip there. Water pressure is on. Do that one next time. I'll probably shoot a video for you, although it's the same thing, it just has 2 outlets. Okay, so didn't need that dry rag. I thought I might have a few drips. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel. If you want more from Froggy, ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.